What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here coming at you on another cryptocurrency stream. And we definitely had a very clear breakout out of that pattern that I was talking about yesterday, guys. I literally said we either had a descending triangle or we would form a descending wedge. And guys, we did form the descending wedge. And I was saying watch for your indications for the breakout, guys, and measured from the back of the wedge using wedge theory here, okay, to the top of the wedge. And guys, we kind of are getting a little rejected right now, guys. I want to show you guys exactly what I found in the price action so you guys can get a good idea of where the price is going in the short term. And guys, we have a whole bunch of other alts to go over today. These are just amazing times in cryptocurrency. Definitely a lot of coins having some major retracements now. Are they going to get a pump up? Guys, is this part of the plan or is the bull cycle over? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hopefully I can set your guys' mind at ease here. Guys, there's so much price action to go. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. And if you haven't signed up using my Bybit link, you can save up to $1,600 in bonuses just by using this link right here. All you have to do is register an account. It only takes 30 seconds, and I am doing a bonus giveaway. The first 20 users who simply register an account with us will receive a $5 bonus on top of the extra $100 bonus they will receive from the Rewards Hub. Alright guys, so if you missed my last video, I was literally saying that we either had a descending triangle, which very quickly formed into the descending wedge. Guys, that's what I was saying would probably happen if we ended up pushing down here a little further. And guys, that exact thing happened. Okay, and we had a lot of patterns within patterns, yielding a lot of results here. So for instance, we had a nice little wedge in here, okay? Another one right here, and top right there, okay? And this one you actually use typical wedge, okay, to get the measurement for that one instead of wedge theory just because of how tight that is, okay? And then same theory over here, okay? This was just too sharp down, not a measured move, okay? And then right here was another one, okay? Right through like that. Easy target right out. We busted right out of that one. And guys, a nice little W formation right here, okay? Real tight, okay? Point of resistance right up here. And guys, we smashed right through that target. Little target, little pattern. All right, easy hit. Okay, check that out. All right, guys, so patterns within patterns definitely yield very good results here. I really like it. It works so well. And by the way, here's another W formation right here. Just very tight. And you can still see that target gets hit as well, guys, okay? That's the beauty of patterns within patterns. They really give you an accurate representation of where the price action is going in the immediate. And guys, look what I found on the moving average exponential 8 here. We definitely had a retest of the 55 here on the 1 hour, and we kind of wicked above it for a brief moment, but got rejected and are kind of working back down now, guys. And in simplicity, if we can break above the 55, I will flip back to short-term bullish. But guys, as I've said, you know, once we got the crossing way back here, you know, that was your optimal shorting opportunities and many shorting opportunities, guys. So until we get back above this 55, yes, I am still short-term bearish, guys. So watch for that in the technicals to make that break above in combination with volume to confirm your movements, okay? And let's talk about Electroneum. A lot of people very interested in this project, guys. So almost a similar situation, almost exactly the same. We kind of retested the 55, wicked above it twice, and now are below it still currently, guys. So I am still short-term bearish as well on Electroneum. But guys, this is a great project. If you're a bag holder and you didn't take profits at the top or the bump or the run, then guys, you know, I would be holding. Like, that's what I'm doing. I'm holding the rest of my position. I'm expecting a trigger. And to be transparent, guys, this red box here is what I expected to be the trigger. And what's really interesting, we did have a wick down and touch it exactly at the bottom there. So that's really cool. But guys, I would like to see this start to flip around. You know, I'd like to see it start to flip around. I mean, I think we're honestly overdue for a trigger pump here. So I think it's overdue, just in transparency, guys. The project is really solid. And just for people having issues with the wallets, guys, I'm having no issues, okay? I really have no problems with the platform. I'm able to move it around smoothly. I've always kept really good records and kept in good contact with them as well, guys. I don't let, you know, things go away. But in simplicity, guys, I really like the project. I think they have a lot of room to the upside. And just in the short term here, guys, we did have some good patterns within patterns right here. We definitely had a nice little wedge. Okay, real tight, actually. A couple moments of overbought territory, a couple wicks. Okay, you wouldn't want to go all the way out to those wicks, guys, because the breakout actually started right here. Okay, So for instance, this could be measured a few different ways here. So if you started from this wick and went like that, okay, that's what I believe is the most accurate measurement right here. For instance, measured from the back of the wedge to the top, to the point of breakout. And guys, we came very close to hitting that already. And if we get a little bit more pump up, for instance, these all start to tighten, just like back here when they went to the downside, but to the upside, we will hit this target. And guys, if you are taking a quick trade, that's where I would take profits. And in simplicity, guys, we need to just get back up on this legacy line, way up here, okay? We do have some work to put in. We need the reversal, as I've said. And guys, I think we really are long overdue. All right, guys, amazing times for Doge right now. We definitely had a few patterns play out very nicely. Let me just go over them right here. We definitely had a W formation measured, point of resistance right through there. Okay, to the deepest wick. Okay, to the point of breakout. And guys, that target was smashed. And on a good note, guys, we have flipped back above the 55, and you can see the crossing on the oscillators right here. So this is an extremely good sign, guys. We are back up on immediate trend line for Doge. This is extremely good, guys. A lot of people were very worried when we pumped up to 72 cents and then dropped down. But guys, I think the Doge rally is still on, and these are just some amazing times for Dogecoin. I can't believe it, seeing it how low it was, a year ago. And you scroll right to here, we were at 0.002 within the 52-week range, guys. That's just incredible. These gains are just insane right now. These are insane gains. Let me know if you guys actually purchased a little bit of Doge. You guys, AMP definitely having a nice move right now. Definitely getting a crossing of all the oscillators right here. And we are going to possibly retest the top of this channel right here and hopefully get a breakout to the upside, guys. And in simplicity, we did have a little bit of patterns here. It's really dirty, though, guys. And I've learned that crypto sometimes just does not yield you perfect patterns here. We try to have to make the best of it as we can. So for instance, ahead, and man, this is just so dirty, but it's there. Okay, measured from the deepest point. Okay, the point of breakout, and guys, that would retest the pattern. Okay, so I think this is something that we're going to be looking at over the next few hours with AMP. And hopefully we can get a break to the upside, guys. Get ready to make your trades. And in simplicity, go long if it breaks the resistance, go short if it breaks the support. And if you're looking to make the short play off of the top here, say like we get a rejection, it does something like this, okay? Watch for a strong rejection in combination with volume, okay? So that way you can see when the reversal is coming. And that's all the time I have for today, guys. These are just amazing times in cryptocurrency. I really could not be happier with all this. It's just really going so well. And guys, I really think the bull cycle's just, in a super cycle now, meaning it's going to be a longer bull cycle than we're used to, which means we're going to get, longer retracements, for instance. I think that's what's going on. And guys, you just got to think about it. All the stars lining up, just so much happening right now in the cryptocurrency space, which is making this a reality. And man, I feel like the sky is the limit. Plan B is projected all the way up at 288,000, guys, and I have a much more modest prediction around 140 to 170. But guys, in reality here, we could hit those higher numbers if just more and more adoption, more and more things line up. We have a lot of things going for cryptocurrency right now, guys, and I really do believe, me to you, it is the future. And guys, if you are not making the gains that you feel like you deserve, or your supposed professional is not doing it for you, and they're telling you, they don't have a crystal ball, then you know what, guys, reach out to me today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com and partake in my student program and see it for yourself, guys. I could preach it forever at this point, but guys, it's something you just have to experience to understand. And once you can actually read the technicals properly, it's just an eye-opening experience, because the reality is once you can read the charts, you can nip profits every single day, multiple times a day. And trust me, that old job that you guys had, or whatever you've been doing, it's not something that's going to look feasible real quick. So, and I have a lot of students that can back that up, guys. We've just been making life-changing gains in the student program. So reach out to us today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send you your onboarding email. And guys, remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. With cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as riding that wave. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.